your mindset right. Right. I'm going to challenge you today to get your mind in the right mode. Get rid of the negative what ifs, replace them with the positive what ifs. Instead of what if this fails? What if I can't do this? What if people don't like it? Wonder if this doesn't fix the problem? What if this does fix the problem? Wonder if people love it? Wonder if this is the first step to my biggest success? Wonder if this is the first move, the first initiative to something that takes off huge? Wonder if this is what changes somebody else's life or the trajectory of their career or their business? What if what I'm doing now changes my life? What if it changes my day? Break it down even smaller. What if it changes somebody's day? So when you find yourself with fear around something, when you find yourself with that procrastination, when you find yourself with those negative what ifs, replace them with the positives, reframe it, say it out loud, envision it for a moment, and then take the first step.